Sand is all around us, in the cement of our homes, the glass of our windows, and the very beaches we love. Did you know that sand is the second most exploited natural resource on Earth after water? Malaysia has felt this pressure. In recent months, illegal mining worth RM2 million has been uncovered in Kelantan, and one man in Pahang was fined RM100,000 for illegally scooping sand from a riverbed. These shocking figures hint at a deeper story: how rapidly Malaysia's forests, rivers, and coasts are being reshaped by sand-hungry development. Where did all this sand come from, and what happened when it's gone? Across Malaysia, sand is the unsung hero of construction and dam building. In Penang, for instance, plans to build 3 new artificial islands with 4,500 acres total will require millions of tons of sand and rock. In Johor, the mega development for a city, envisioned for 700,000 residents, is being built on 4 man-made islands, reshaping coastal waters with endless dredges. Even our rural rivers have been tapped. Sand from Muda River Kedah and Kelantan River Kelantan has fed demand in far-off construction sites and for export. Until 2019, Malaysia was a top global sand exporter, supplying nearly 60 million tons of sand to Singapore. Today, hundreds of dredgers still operate. Activists counted dozens of permits for offshore sand mining near Johor, each ship hauling over 1,000 tons of sand per day. But at what cost? Taking too much sand can wreck rivers, seas, and communities. When riverbeds are mined deep, riverbanks can collapse and floodplains sink. Water become muddy and murky, suffocating fish and plants. Scientists warn that uncontrolled sand mining is one of Malaysia's main coastal management problems, as it allows bigger waves to strip away shorelines. Entire beaches can wash away and once rich fishing ground vanish under sand or become too shallow to support life. Fishermen in Kelantan and Penang report lost catch and damaged mudflats. In Johor, fish farmers have seen mast die off after dredging began for voracity. The result? Families that live off the river now struggle. Fishermen once said, "Before there were many fish, now nothing," complains 72-year-old fisherman Muhammad Ishaq. This crisis has mobilized many groups. The government banned seasoned exports in 2019 and continues raids on illegal sites. Courts are punishing violators. As we saw, fines can reach 6 figures and even prison time for repeat offenders under Section 426 of the National Land Code. NGOs like Sahabat Alam Malaysia published studies noting that thousands of hectares of fishing grounds and marine habitat have disappeared under Malaysia's reclamation projects. Communities like Penang Tolak Tambak have formed to voice fishermen's concerns to protect their livelihoods. Local councils and politicians are also getting involved. For example, Johor elected representatives are discussing sand mining limits, and Penang state leaders have begun reviewing reclamation plans. Malaysia's sand story is still unfolding. The rising city skyline may look like progress, but it has a hidden cost. Every bridge and building built from the sand has ripple effects on people downstream. Unsustainable mining means eroded coasts, empty seas, and floods. But change is possible. Support sustainable building materials, reuse construction waste, and demand stricter enforcement. Even small actions can help make a difference. From learning about rivers to joining cleans up, it still matters. Sand may seem ordinary, but it underpins our lives. By safeguarding our river and coast, by treating sand like the precious resource it is, Malaysians can help ensure safe water, healthy fish, and stable shores for years to come.